How to make auto stone farm in Minecraft. So first what you need is some chest. I make 4 rows of double chests just like so. Now once you're done, just get your hopper and make sure you're holding shift key or your crouch key and right click on the chest to put it on him or beside him. Now once that's done, just get any type of block of your choice and just wrap it around the chest right here. So it should be looking like this. And now once that's done, just get some stairs. So I have my stairs right here and put it on top of the chest. So any stairs will do. So hold shift again, then right click. And now just wrap it up again with another block of your choice. So just like so. Now once it's done, get your water bucket and put water on each stair right there. Once it's done, get your block again and put it on top of this one. So it should be looking like that. Now once it's done, get your lava bucket and put it here on the side. Wait for this to fill up. Once it's all filled up, just go here on the left side and I'm just gonna put a block right here and destroy the middle block right there and put a sign. Now once that's done, you can now basically farm the stone right here. So I'm just gonna destroy the stone right there, and as you can see, you can just auto farm this stone right here. You just do it again and again. As you can see, it will just turn into stone. And that's how you basically make a auto stone farm in Minecraft.